Most sales reps do not need more AI knowledge. They need an AI routine they actually use every day. The mistake is using AI randomly. One prompt here, one tool there, and no repeatable system. If I were a sales rep, I would build a simple daily AI routine around 5 habits: research, angles, messages, follow-up, and notes. Habit 1. Research 5 accounts. Use AI to summarize the company, buyer role, recent signals, and likely business priorities. Habit 2. Generate 3 outreach angles for each good account. Do not stop at facts. Find the bridge between the trigger and the buyer's problem. Habit 3. Draft messages with AI, then edit them so they sound like you. Shorter, clearer, more specific, and less robotic. Before sending, ask, is it true? Is it relevant? Would I say this out loud? And does it end with a simple question? Habit 4. Build follow-up ladders. Do not rely on just checking in. Give each follow-up a different job. Use recap, value add, objection reducer, decision prompt, and clean break. Habit 5. Clean your notes after calls. Use AI to turn messy notes into summary, pain points, objections, stakeholders, next steps, and follow-up tasks. At the end of each week, save the best prompts, messages, follow-ups, and call prep templates. That is how the routine compounds. The goal is not to become an AI expert. The goal is to use AI in the same parts of sales every day until it becomes leverage. Research accounts, find angles, draft messages, build follow-ups, clean notes, and save what works. If you want prompts to build this daily routine, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.